Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove the to get future Google Chrome updates you'll need warning message on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the search menu appears, type in Run and click on the Run application when it shows up in the results. This will open the Run dialog box, which gives you quick access to system tools and settings. In the Run dialog box, type regedit and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Registry Editor, which is a powerful tool that lets you modify system settings and configurations. The Registry Editor might take a moment to load, so just wait until the window fully appears on your screen. Once the Registry Editor opens, you'll see a folder structure on the left side of the window. Click on hky_current_user to expand this section. This registry hive contains settings specific to your user account and is where we'll be making our changes. Next, click on the software folder to expand it. This folder contains all the software-related settings and configurations for programs installed on your computer. You'll see a long list of folders from various applications and services. Now scroll down through the folders until you find one called Policies and click on it to select it. The Policies folder contains settings that control how certain programs behave on your system, and this is where we'll create our Chrome configuration. Right-click on the Policies folder, then hover over New in the context menu that appears and click on Key. This will create a new subfolder inside Policies. Name this new folder Google, making sure to use a capital G at the beginning. This folder will contain all Google-related policy settings. Now, right-click on the Google folder you just created, hover over New again, and click on Key once more. Name this new subfolder Chrome, using a capital C at the beginning. This specific folder will hold the Chrome browser settings we need to modify. Next, right-click on the Chrome folder, hover over New, and this time click on DW32-bit value. This will create a new registry entry that we can configure. Carefully name this new value Suppress Unsupported OS Warning. Make sure to type it exactly as shown, with the correct capitalization and no spaces, as registry entries are case sensitive. Once you've created and named the entry, double-click on it to open the modification window. You'll see a value data field that's currently set to 0. Change this value to 1, then click OK to save your changes. This modification tells Chrome to suppress the warning message about unsupported operating system updates. And that's it, you've successfully configured the registry to remove that annoying Chrome update warning. Now you'll need to restart either your Google Chrome browser or your entire computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, the warning message should no longer appear. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.